Anyone up for an arcade game? Because you're gonna flip for this next play pack. Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're building our very own pinball machine. Print your own obstacles, add lights, and become the next pinball wizard. Let's go. You know the drill. Let's check inside our play pack. We have a bell, 4 springs, rubber grips, 2 LED lights, 2 pinballs to get you rolling, sticker sheets, and of course the boards to make your actual pinball machine. Let me show you how to put together the base of your pinball machine. First, we need to punch out all of our pieces. Carefully pop the pieces out of their frame. Make sure to pop out all the holes too. A pen works well to push the cutouts through. Now that you have all your pieces ready, let's build the pinball machine. If you look closely, you'll see that each piece is labeled with letters. This will help us match the pieces together. We're going to start by building the back half of the pinball machine. You'll need the 3 pieces shown here. Simply connect the pieces together by matching the letters together. A to A, B to B, and so on. Next, let's build the front half. Same as before, match the letters together to make sure you're attaching the pieces correctly. If done right, the 2 halves should match together, as shown here. Take the last 2 sides and connect your halves together. That last skinny piece fits right in the holes on the board. This will be used to hold our pinball before launching it. Now, let's really turn this into a pinball machine and begin adding printed pieces from the creator space. Make sure you have all of the printed pieces to add the pinball flippers. Once you have all your printed pieces, start by connecting the left and right cartridges to the middle cartridge. Make sure their corresponding shapes match up. Next, flip the pinball machine over and add the flipper buttons. One is longer than the other, so make sure you have them on the correct sides. Take the flipper hinges and place them in the holes as shown here. Make sure they line up in the holes of the flipper buttons. Take the assembled cartridge and place it on top, face down. Insert the cartridge pins to hold everything in place. Add the springs so your flippers have some bounce. You'll want to use the 2 springs that are the same size and length. Finally, flip the board over and attach the flippers using the flipper pins. Your pinball flippers are ready to go. Oh, and don't forget to add the pinball catcher. You'll need that so your pinballs don't go everywhere. Up next is the launcher. You'll need the printed launcher pieces in the 2 other springs. Slide the larger spring onto the launcher stick and then place it through the hole on the pinball board. Add the smaller spring onto the piece of the launcher stem that's sticking out and then attach the handle. Your launcher is ready to go. Now, let's finish it with the printed feet and corner curves. Attach the curves by placing a pin through the bottom of the pinball machine and into the curve. Do this for all 4. Next, let's add the back feet, wall grips, and front feet. Simply slide the feet onto the base of the pinball machine. For the wall grips, place them where the boards connect together. This will keep your pinball machine nice and sturdy. Once all the feet are on, add the rubber grips to the 4 feet. This will keep your pinball machine from sliding around on the table. Now the really fun part. Let's add bumpers, spinners, and arches so there's some obstacles for your pinball. When adding a piece to the board, stick a key pin through the back of the pinball board and attach the piece. The key pins work by inserting them into a piece and then twisting to lock it into place. Start by adding some bumpers next to the flippers. This will prevent your pinball from going into the gutter too easily. From there, you can plan out your board and add more pieces. For the LED lights, simply stick them into the LED bumpers. Get creative and try different configurations. There's no right way to make your pinball machine, but remember, some layouts might work better than others. Feel free to experiment and don't get discouraged. Don't forget the bell. You can also make your own spinner. Head over to the Play Pack page and choose Custom Spinner. From there, you can choose the style of the spinner, the arm type, and sketch your own image onto the top of the spinner. Once you're spinning with excitement, name your spinner and print it. Oh, and don't forget about the stickers to really customize your pinball machine. Pick a sticker sheet and add the stickers for a final touch. Now you're ready to go. Grab your pinball and get to launching. I can't wait to see all the crazy configurations that you came up with your Pinball Play Pack.